Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce our group. We are from group 1, class B, with the topic of listening. So, we here take the video for the presentation about listening with text descriptive using detection. And the member of Rizka Amelia Irwan and me, Fadla Karim. Next, I will to explain about definition of listening. According to Brown, 2004, 118, listening is receiving skill that includes some process capability or not visible but has a different meaning analyzed in depth from hearing because it is immediate to the ear and brain. So, listening, one of the skill in mastering English, it is very important that we have to listen. We can speak well too. And the function of listening is pronunciation. If you often listen people speaking in English. Okay, next slide. I will explain the method detection. Before I explain the method detection, I will give you information, but that the method is it is very many, and where this method makes it is easier for students. Method detection. In the detection or detection taking listening test, listening skill, selected monologue, test short between 50 to until 100 words, and the pronunciation is repeat 3 times. Why it was done? Because junior high school student, if the monologue test is too long, students feel very difficult to catch the content of the message of speak the text by teacher. Is many for method, but here we choose the method detection for the explain about listening.
Oke, jadi yang kedua ada descriptive text. According to Pardiono 2009 say, descriptive text is a text or reading that contains information indivisible from the object, visible, quality or quantity. This matter conclude that descriptive text is text used to describe a place, person or thing, certain or about real object, can person, object or animal, in detail or details, both body, quality and quantity. Nah, jadi menurut Pardiono, descriptive text adalah bacaan yang memuat informasi dalam bentuk benda yang tampak kualitas atau kuantitasnya. Hal ini menyimpulkan bahwa teks deskriptif adalah teks yang digunakan untuk menggambarkan suatu tempat, seseorang atau benda tertentu, atau benda yang nyata, dapat berupa orang, benda, atau binatang, secara mendetail, baik kualitas maupun kuantitas tubuhnya.
Next, I will explain About teacher to do detection through several steps. There are four steps for detection, and I explain number one and number two. Number one, first regular speed. For the first step, read the detection with normal speed while students just listen. And number two, and then with long pause between process or regular word group. So step 2, read the word to word and pause too and long enough to allow students to write down what they hear.
Oke, yang ketiga yaitu Leslie on speed normal atau kecepatan normal. Jadi sebagai guru usahakan dalam mendikte siswa jangan terburu-buru supaya memudahkan siswa dalam mendengar dan menuliskan apa yang mereka dengar. Oke. Yang keempat, ada to check the work and corrected his writing, difficulty in understanding dictation assignments. Nah, jadi di nomor 4 ini guru harus mengecek atau mengoreksi pekerjaan yang siswa kerjakan. Yang guru berikan apakah sesuai atau tidak sesuai dengan yang tugas dikte yang diberikan oleh guru.
Next, there are application for listening detection. Jadi di sini ada aplikasi untuk topik ini. Jadi di sini nama dari aplikasi adalah English Detection and Speaking. You can search in App Store and Play Store. Dan cara untuk memakai aplikasi ini, di aplikasi ini terdapat 3 bacaan, artikel, and sound American, yang isinya itu pidato, yang actionnya American. Dan mudahnya untuk menggunakannya ini yaitu terdapat artikel, contohnya kita mengklik sebuah artikel, maka suara akan keluar dengan bacaan yang ada di artikel tersebut. Jadi kita hanya cukup mendengarkannya saja. And then kita bisa belajar untuk mendengarkan dari suara yang berasal dari artikel tersebut. Next, there are examples for the topic detection. I will explain the step of detection number 1 and number 2. Okay, I will do practice. Bali. Bali is one of the center of tourism in Indonesia, which is well known to various countries. Bali is famous for its natural beauty, culture that is still very attached, and beaches. Bali also offers various types of culinary that are still cooked in the traditional way, such as chicken or duck betutu, satay wrap, various sauce, seafood, and many others. I read the detection number 1. And number 2, Bali. Bali is one of the centers of tourism in Indonesia, which is well known to various countries. Bali is famous for its natural beauty, culture that is still very attached, and beaches. Bali also offers various types of culinary that are still cooked in the types of culinary that are still cooked in the traditional way. Such as chicken or duck betutu, satay wrap, various sauce, seafood, and many others. And many others.
Oke, baiklah. Saya akan menjelaskan tahapan dikte yang nomor 3 dan 4 dengan topik teacher. A teacher is someone who devotes himself to sharing knowledge with his students. Teachers play an important role in the work of education who work professionally in both formal and informal education.
Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much for your great attention. I'm sorry for the mistake in the video. I hope you understand. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.